The Karcher WV5 Premium Window Vac makes window cleaning simple and quick. Ready to use straight out of the box, the WV5 Premium includes everything you need to effortlessly remove unwanted dirt from windows, leaving them streak-free and sparkling. Using the spray bottle and microfibre cloth, apply the detergent and wipe the window thoroughly. Switch on the battery-powered WV5 and slowly vacuum down the window, removing all dirt and smears, leaving a crystal clear finish. The WV5 with a 280mm wide cleaning head can be used to clean both inside and out, while specially designed guides ensure a perfect clean right up to the window edge. The WV5 Premium also comes with a smaller 170mm suction head. Simple to change, the small head allows you to easily clean smaller areas, such as Georgian window panes. What's more, the window vac can clean all round the home, perfect for cleaning shower screens, mirrors, work surfaces, car windows, and can even be used for tackling condensation. Once finished, the WV5 is quick to empty and the microfibre cloths can be washed in your washing machine. The simple charging solution and battery level indicator means it's always to hand and ready to help.